Download. PressureSuite Desktop can be downloaded for free on our website. You can either navigate to the download on our website or use the direct link in the description. Updates can be downloaded directly in the software itself. Installation. Unpack the downloaded zip file with any zipping tool. Execute the PressureSuite Desktop Installer.exe as administrator. Install the required drivers if not already installed. FTDI driver for the K114 converter, and USB driver for USB devices like the Leo 5 and ADT1. Read and accept terms and conditions, then click Install. Run PressureSuite Desktop after the installation is complete. Silent installation. Silent installation allows PressureSuite Desktop to be installed without user interaction, simplifying the setup process for multiple machines. Open PowerShell or the command line as administrator. Execute the PressureSuite Desktop installer with the parameter quiet. All drivers will be installed automatically.